have to say a word tonight. I can see it in your eyes. All the things you try to hide, all the weight you carry inside. You've been holding on so long, trying hard to stay so strong. But even heroes need a break, even hearts can start to shake. It's alright if you feel lost. You don't have to fight it all. You're gonna be okay, even if it hurts right now, even if you don't know how. You're gonna find your way, step by step, day by day. You don't have to rush the pain. Oh, it's okay to not be okay. Every tear you couldn't show, every place you didn't go, all the dreams you put aside, they're still waiting, still alive. You don't have to be so brave, you don't have to hide the pain. You can breathe, just take it slow. You're allowed to let it go. It's alright to fall apart. You're still safe inside your heart. You're gonna be okay, even if it hurts right now, even if you don't know how. You're gonna find your way, step by step, day by day. You don't have to rush the pain. No more running from yourself, no more blaming who you were. You're still here, you made it through. That alone means something true. You're gonna be okay, even if the night feels long. You're still holding on.